Well, howdy, tubers. Well, Houston, we have a problem. But first off, show you the thing I made to put in my vise. Of course, it sits right down on that screw and then holds my 3/32 rivet set that normally would go in your rivet gun, but comes out of there. So anyway, this here is the way that I did the rivets in the first Ultra Cruiser, and because I didn't have the rivet squeezer. And that brings me to my Houston, we have a problem. I cannot find a little package that I've got with all my organization skills. You would think I could, but I might have left him at the airport, so I may have to make an airport run. But I thought if I go to the airport that I wanted to go ahead and reset the valves, or check and set the valves on the Ultra Cruiser. So I don't know what I will get, but I'll show you how I at least did this in the first place on the first Ultra Cruiser, at least by hand with a hammer. If you can get to the shop head of the rivet. Oh, and I will be using AN 3-2 button head rivets. I've also got some 3N 2-5s, or 2.5 button head rivets too. So let me get you set up here on Nismo Digger. Okay, like I said, I have already taken this apart and deburred. I went ahead and grabbed a different drill and put my little deburring tool in there to do it. Of course, now you know you can just use a drill bit for tight spaces. And I'll find that one later. Let's see. May have to take this Cleco out. Of course, you probably can't even see what I'm doing. I'm sure you probably can. Guess we'll get down here. Okay. Now we'll do the shop head part. There we go. And the Harbor Freight Cleco pliers. Of course, if I could find my rivet set for my squeezer, I could sit up there watching TV doing this, which I have done before. Don't know how many more of these I'll do, because I'd rather do it with a squeezer too, but this is showing you that it can be done. Yep. I think I have to take this Cleco out. Where'd it go? Glad you were watching. hoping you can see this anyway. Now those of you that's got a wife, now they'd probably be real happy to help you do this. I didn't even have spike one when I built the first one. I mean, I got him not too long after, but I guess I ought to show you if I did turn it on, and I guess I did. There's those. So it can be done if you don't have a rivet squeezer. So I will have to go and see if I can find my or have to buy some new ones from Aircraft Spruce. So, or just keep looking, but they must just be at the airport. I checked the trunk of my car and inside, so anyway, there's just a start of solid riveting the ribs together. So, without further slow down, we'll let you go. So, well, I'll do a video when we start doing with the rivet squeezer, so you can see how much faster or easier that the rivet squeezer is. But like I said, I did all of these just like this. Or of course, now if I could get, and actually I could have got to, that one, well, with just a hammer. See? If you can get to it with just a hammer, just use the hammer, but when you get to the closer places, well, then use the punch. So, I'm rattling on. There you go. God bless.